The mighty Tagus River, Lisbon stands at its mouth. In centuries past, Vasco da Gama and other explorers sailed up here bringing riches from conquered lands. Lisbon nowadays marches to a different beat, austerity. The economy is stagnant and the government is struggling to pay off its debts. Both private companies and government need fresh capital from abroad. Angola is the largest shareholder in this bank and is buying another bank that had to be bailed out by the government. Angola's also buying a direct stake in Portugal's energy firm Galp. It already owns a chunk of it through a Portuguese subsidiary. A Brazilian company's closing in on a deal to buy the biggest Portuguese cement maker amid some local opposition. The Angolans have also been invited to invest in the national airline and airport operators. The fact that Angola has a poor human rights record makes some Portuguese uneasy, but that's not the reason this union leader doesn't like these transactions.
We are against the selling of Portuguese companies to international stakeholders. Why? Because these Portuguese companies are strategic, not only for our economic development, but also because they produce a lot of profit, and we need this profit to pay off our country's debts.
China is also getting in on the act. It's bought stakes in 2 Portuguese electricity companies. It's controversial. Many Portuguese feel strategic assets should not be sold to China, an undemocratic country with little transparency on human rights. But the former chairman of the Lisbon Stock Exchange says Chinese deals can be attractive, as illustrated by the electricity company deals.
The Chinese corporation called Three Gorges paid a premium, offered the best price, and offered a certain number of other conditions, like keeping the headquarters in Portugal, which is the place where economic value is created. So it was a very unbeatable proposition.
There are still some businesses in Portugal that are thriving. The foreigners lining up at this famous pastry shop in Lisbon are customers, not shareholders. But the low-earning Portuguese have high debts. Portugal is perhaps now past the point of choosing from where it gets badly needed investment. Dominic Laurie for VOA News, Lisbon.